Ma'am and sir, I am Mr. Dita Bora and I will be the student nurse for today. But before we start, I would like to inform you now. Please have a consideration because I'm a post-operative patient. I will not be able to lift a patient, so I will just explain to you the procedure itself. So before we start, of course, we will be reviewing the medical, the chart of the patient, and the nursing plan, care plan for the patient. That is for the patient's condition. We will be also checking the patient's limitation to movements. Assessing the IVs, the IV or any tube that is connected to the patient and to the bed. Okay, so after that, we will be performing hand hygiene. And then after performing hand hygiene, we will be greeting to identify the patient. So after greeting it, and then explain the procedure to the patient. So of course, I will be asking the patient to state their name, or at least if the patient is unconscious, the wristband, check the wristband, and explain the procedure to them. So if the patient is unconscious, explain the procedure to the patient's family. After that, we will be closing the curtains around the patients and adjust the head from the flat position if the head is elevated. And then raise the bed height at the same height of the stretcher, of course, and to transfer the patient efficiently. After that, after doing that, we will be placing the bath blanket on the patient, over the patient to cover the patient. Of course, we will be removing the top covers so from underneath, and with the underneath, so we will be covering the patient. If a friction reducing transfer sheet is not placed under the patient, of course, on the patient's midsection, of course, we have to hold the patient's arm to their chest like this, or like this, and to efficiently put the patient on the stretcher. If a friction reducing sheet is used, we can just lift the friction sheet. We can just lift the friction reducing sheet and position it to the stretcher with the help of other nurses as well. And then, of course, we will be positioning the stretcher, of course, next to the bedside, and then with the same direction to the bed or parallel to the bed, and two nurses should stand on each top and bottom of the stretcher, and there should be a nurse also that is standing in the midsection. And use the reducing sheet friction to roll the patient from the stretcher. So place the transfer board across the patient between the stretcher and the bed. So roll the patient onto his or her back, so that the patient is can be transferred partially on the transfer board. So the nurse on the side or the nurse on the side or the end of the bed will grasp the friction bed and from the head and chest area, and then one nurse should be grasping the bottom part of the friction bed. So the bottom and the top and bottom nurse will hold the friction reduced sheet. So, and then by the signal or by the instruction of one of the nurses, we will be pulling the bed. We will be pulling the sheet to transfer the patient into the stretcher. After that, after doing that, once the patient is transferred to the stretcher, remove the transfer board and